So I just arrived at the pick apart here in North Las Vegas. Shout out to the gentleman with the late model Nissan Altima that gave me this nice space right in the front. Today we're doing things a little bit different. Looks like the only Nissan competition I have is this Frontier over here. But no tools, no shopping cart. Hell, I'm not even dressed to be in the junkyard, but I am. So the number one thing that I did was make sure that I got a gate transfer for my location. Here this morning they got a couple of wheels and tires out here. Like I often say, the junkyard is a good way to get, you know, some nice upgrades. Look at this, huh? Off-roading wheels. These are 16s, 285, 75 R16s. Falcon Wild Peaks, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? I wonder how much you want for these. It came off of a Dodge Durango. Personally, I wouldn't want something like this for my rig. What's the offset? Yeah, 16 by 8. These, technically, I think these would fit. See it? 16 by 8 right there. So the gentleman that checked me in was asking me if I needed help. I kind of laugh because, again, I'm not dressed. Just to show you guys what I'm wearing. See, I'm not at all dressed. Figured I would come over here today since they just put some new R50s on the yard today. Not sure when you guys are going to see this video. It'll probably be a couple of days from now. Trying not to oversaturate the channel too much with the junkyard content. I did that last year and I felt like that turned a lot of you guys off. Like I wasn't seeing the viewership that I was used to seeing on the channel. So I'm still gonna be mixing it in here and there. Yeah, I didn't bring any tools because my trunk space of my R50 right now is being utilized for some rotors for my other vehicle. I actually just went and dropped off a set of rotors that need to be turned. Ooh, a WD-21. Huh, when did this guy get here? Automatic. No skid plate. Probably was never there anyway. Yeah, I think this just recently got dropped on the yard. Now this R50 right here in black. Let's see what year is this one. 2000, so this is a 99 and a half. Looks like someone attempted to put a tire carrier on here and failed miserably. Yep. That's no bueno. Wow, this thing is clean. This thing is really clean. Yeah, 99 and a half R50. Hey, there's even a brand new glove. Wow. What else is in here? So this was one of the R50s that I came to look at. Check out the tail lights. Those are cool. I definitely would have been interested in that if I was still in my 20s, but I'm grown and I know better. It's better to be visible. Oh, look. This guy still has his OEM floor mats. And again, this R50 just dropped on the yard this morning. Just put out here this morning. And again, this is the North Yard, where allegedly things get pulled immediately. There's another R50 in here. Must be further down this row. So you see these guys right here? They specialize in taking whatever they need, and that's okay because it's a first come, first serve basis. So here's the R50 Pathfinder. This one's a Platinum Edition. See the badge? Even this one still has its floor mats in here. And yeah, it's rare that you come to the junkyard, even on day one, and still find these floor mats. I'm assuming because they're all gross. That one has a big giant hole in it. No privacy cover. 2004. Wow, this one even comes with tools, guys. You want an old school pipe wrench? Oh, it's a fuel system treatment. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I really didn't think I was gonna find anything that I wanted to pull anyway today. And again, I'm not traveling with tools. I just went and got some blood work done, and I dropped my rotors off for my other vehicle to get turned, and that vehicle's sitting in my garage right now on jack stands. Look, more tools. You see what I mean? Like, come on. There's plenty of parts here. Look, this thing even had Falcon Wild Peaks on it, except for this wheel. Spare's gone. But yeah, this thing has Falcon Wild Peaks on it. They're worn though. 17-inch. And they're showing signs of dry rot. Engine bay's been gone through a little bit. Like I said, man, there's plenty of parts. Plenty of parts here. Fresh parts too. Ooh, here's a WD-21. This one's two-wheel drive. I think this one for sure was recently put out on the yard. Let me see. Oh my, yep, it was a 5-sped. Look, somebody's working on a swap. Look. Oh, and you guys remember what I was mentioning in that video? The parts not being available. So this is a WD-21, right? I want to say that this thing's been on the yard for maybe a week. The yards usually rotate once a week, and they always get rid of the oldest inventory first. So this is a typical WD-21, 1994, okay? Oh, the gearbox is still here. I thought somebody made off with it. Interesting. I wonder why they put it in the back. But it's still here, okay? Now, did you guys see the interior? You see it, right? This is usually how you find these, because there's a lot of people out there that still have WD-21s, and since they don't make these parts for sure for these vehicles anymore, depending on what you're looking for, this is what many of us have to resort to. So I'm surprised the dash is still here, because usually that whole assembly is gone. The seats, the carpeting, of course the door panels, as you can see, they're gone, except for this one. It was ruined. But yeah, guys, this is what you would typically see for this particular vehicle. WD-21, D21, Nissan Frontiers, they usually get stripped. This one might even be a better example for me to show you guys. Watch this. So you see already, right? This one's a 1995. Look at the trunk. They made off with the fuel pump, which is cool. Somebody needed a fuel pump. Again, first come, first serve. Look at that. See? Same thing. I'm surprised the rear door panels are still here. Okay? This one's a two-wheel drive. Even better example, look at this Frontier. Look, power plant and transmission, gone. Gone, and I guarantee that was gone day one. Look at the interior. See that? Gone through. So yeah, there's certain vehicles, when they show up on the yard day one, they're gonna get stripped. Okay? But where it concerns an R50, I've never seen it happen. Not saying that it can't, but I've never seen it. Here's another WD-21. Same thing. See? 1995. Door panel's gone. Surprisingly, this door card is still here. But everything else, gone through. Wonder if this one has a skid plate. And it does not. Just know that there's certain vehicles that do get stripped day one, and then there's other vehicles that nobody ever pays attention to. If you're coming here to this yard, or any junkyard in Vegas for that matter, to look for parts for, like, let's say a 90s Toyota 4Runner, bro, gone immediately. As soon as that truck lands on the yard, all those parts are gone. If you still find pieces left, it's because nobody wanted them or needed them. Yeah, let me show you some old R50 inventory that I've personally picked from. Just so you guys know I'm not blowing smoke. This R50 right here, and next to it, these have been here for, I'm gonna say 3 going on 4 weeks now. Let's take a look and see how much of them have actually been picked clean. Okay. Wow, this one's been really picked. Damn, it's been picked clean, guys. Look, they took everything. Huh? If this is your definition of things being picked clean, you need to shut up. Let's stop lying to people. Is this what you refer to as being picked clean? I mean, hell, I usually go out of my way to take this stuff. It's still here. I didn't even touch it because I don't need it. You know, there's even a tailgate in here if you need one. I mean, come on, man. Like, who's lying here? Because I know it ain't me. It's stripped, huh? It's been here for 3 weeks. And it's stripped clean. Immediately stripped. Yeah, it's been immediately stripped, both of them. Did you guys see how clean those R50s have been picked through? Like, man, there's no parts left. I can't believe it. There's absolutely no parts here. Wow, check out this banana WD-22, aka Nissan Xterra. Like I said, there's certain vehicles that do get picked through, but the R50, yeah, people are just not that interested in them. Outside of the few of us that happen to have one that's interested in actually making it better than what it already is. I mean, come on. This D21 over here, this red one that's being worked on right now, it arrived on the yard this morning. The front fascia is gone. That's nothing abnormal. In these trucks, they have a huge following. So I respect the guys that come out and take everything off of these, because that's what you're supposed to do. Don't let it go to the crusher. You got to save it. You know, we need these parts. They're not making them anymore. Engine's still here. Transmission's still here. The fascia's gone, but that's like the number one thing that'll go. The wheels are really nice. I'm really digging that. Pretty much brand new tires. Yeah, guys, look. This one came on the yard this morning, and it's been completely picked. Man, that's a shame. We didn't even get any parts off of it. See, here's a Frontier, another one. It still has plenty of parts on it. Like, plenty. The engine's still here. Transmission's still here. Oh, actually, no. Transmission's gone. Holla! So that one was a 5-speed. 1998. See? Interior's gone. Surprisingly, the shifter boot's still here, but they broke the collar on it. So you're not gonna want that. Pedal's still here. I wonder why they left that behind if you're doing a swap. Or maybe they just needed a gearbox, I don't know. The seats, the front section of the carpeting, I mean, the headliner. This is what I typically see with the Frontier platform. Here's another one. Same thing. Gearbox is gone. Engine's actually gone off of this one. Oh, there's a Nissan Titan. But yeah. Oh, yeah, this was another one. See, I knew I had missed one. Here's another R50. This one just arrived on the yard this morning. And it looks like the fellows were taking the engine from this guy. It's a 99.5. Yeah. This one has no sunroof. I like the wheel center caps, although I don't have any tools. But let's see if I can use my 5 tools here. Yeah, 99.5. This is, oh, I can't get too close to it. It has oil everywhere. I don't want to get my Timbs dirty. It's automatic. Someone's already taken all the floor mats, as you can see. But the interior of this thing is really clean. I mean, really, really. And again, these guys that are taking this stuff, they specialize in this. And look, it's not just one person. It's a whole team. It's a squad. You know, this is what they do. And it's not because of my videos. Like I said, it has nothing to do with my videos. It's just these guys, they know what they're looking at. They know what they're looking for. And they gonna go out and get it. Now, let me see if by any chance I can, these should pop up. Oh, yes, sir. Let me see. Yep. Yeah, I'm taking them. What tools, huh? What tools? I don't need no stinking tools. All I need is my 5 digits. So I have all 4 wheel center caps. Yay. I think I'm gonna keep these ones. Although I don't rock my OEM SE wheels anymore. But, you know, I like cool and interesting one-off stuff. So I'll probably keep this. This R50 is also the same color as my R50. Gray. Look at how clean this thing is. Look at the rear wheel arches. Not a speck of rust. Not a single speck. And this door is in great shape too. Wherever this thing came from, it has 0 rust on it. Like 0. Look at that. It even has a brush bar on the front. Like I just showed you guys, it's not the R50s that's being stripped like that. I know what the truth is. I know the truth. I want to give a huge shout out to all of our viewers and subscribers. You're the reason why I keep coming out here and doing what I do, making these videos and making this content, not just the junkyard content, but content period. You guys are the reason why I come out here and do this. I just want to take this time to give you guys a huge thanks and a shout out for all of the support that I've gotten in the video there about the young man disrespecting me. He sounds like a complete jerk and idiot. As you guys just seen, I just showed you the amount of parts that's here. This is not staged at all. But I want to thank you guys so very much for the overwhelming love and support for the channel and what it is that I'm trying to do here. So if you guys enjoy these videos and you want to keep seeing them, you want me to keep putting them out for you guys to see, give the videos a like, especially the junkyard videos. Let's make it go viral, guys. Until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement. Once again, my name is Chris, and this has been the Camper Dan Files.